A poor man found a huge treasure in the jungle, but he could not carry it with him. A few days later, a merchant passed by with 8 empty camels. The poor man made a deal that he would be given half or 1/4 of the camels loaded with treasure. The merchant immediately agreed to give half. The treasure was loaded onto all 8 camels, and the poor man kept a precious ruby with himself. The merchant gave 4 camels to the poor man, but greed entered his heart, thinking that the poor man had also been willing to accept just 1/4. Using an excuse, he took back 2 camels, and the poor man silently gave them up. Then he demanded the remaining 2 camels as well, which the poor man gave willingly. Now the merchant set off with all 8 camels, but he remembered the ruby left with the poor man. He turned back to take the ruby, but could not find the poor man and wandered in the jungle all day. Meanwhile, his camels went ahead, and by evening, he was left alone. Suddenly, a lion attacked and killed him, and his greed became the cause of his destruction. See, children, greed takes away a person's wisdom and eventually leads him to ruin by his own hands.